Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today we are making a rich, soft, buttery homemade pound cake right from the comfort of your kitchen. This recipe is simple, easy to follow and perfect for beginners. If you have been struggling to get that soft texture and beautiful golden cake, then this video is for you because I will explain every single step carefully. You will love it, so let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I'm adding my softened butter or margarine. Make sure your margarine is soft and not straight from the fridge because soft butter or margarine mixes more easily and gives a smoother butter very nicely. I'm going to use a whisk to whisk the margarine for a few minutes until it becomes light, creamy, and fluffy. At this stage, you will notice the butter changing color slightly and becoming softer in texture. This process is very important because it helps incorporate air into the mixture, which also contributes to a soft cake. Now, as you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect. Next, I'm gradually adding my sugar while mixing continuously. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. I'm not adding everything at once, okay? I want the sugar to blend properly into the margarine. So for the sugar, you can feel free to use granulated sugar, icing sugar, or brown sugar, or any other sugar of your choice, okay? So as I continue mixing, the mixture becomes lighter, fluffy, and creamy, just the way you are seeing on your screens right now. This step is called creaming, and it plays a huge role in achieving that perfect pound cake texture. Take your time here and mix very well. Now I'm adding my eggs at a time. After each egg or eggs, I'll mix properly before adding the next one. This helps the batter stay smooth and prevent curdling or lumps. So as the eggs combine with the batter mixture, the batter becomes richer and silky. Continue mixing until you achieve the perfect consistency that you are looking for. And so whilst that is going on, we're going to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first persons to be notified. Subscribing is free, so what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. Now I'm adding my essence. I'm using the combination of pineapple essence and also vanilla essence for that beautiful aroma and flavor. You can also use just one or any other essence of your choice and you are good to go. I also added a little bit of baking powder and a pinch of salt to balance the taste. Next, I'm going to sift in some all-purpose flour. You can also use soft flour if that is what you have, okay? Sifting the flour is very important because it's going to sift everything together to remove lumps and evenly distribute the other ingredients as well. Now I'll start by adding the flour mixture gradually into the batter. At this point, if you have a whisk or a mixer, you can feel free to use it to make the work easier. But for today, we are making it beginner friendly. Yes, we want everybody, including you that you're watching right now. I want you to know how to make cake in the easiest way. Okay, now the flour was a little bit small. I'm going to add more, then stir very well again. Like I said, I'm going to be listing all the ingredients and measurements in the description box for you to check it out. Now I'm going to stir everything together and then go ahead and add in some milk and then continue alternating until everything is fully combined. Mix gently at this stage because over mixing can make the cake dense instead of soft. So once everything is incorporated, then we proceed to our next stage. But for now, let's mix everything together until the batter becomes smooth, thick, and creamy. Exactly what we want. Next, I'm going to prepare my baking pan. So I'm rubbing butter all over the pan very well, making sure every corner is covered properly. After greasing the pan, you can also dust it with some flour if you want. This helps the cake come out easily after baking and prevent sticking. But we are just going to be using the butter for now, okay? And now the pan is ready. I'm going to pour the butter into my prepared baking pan. I'm using my spatula to spread the butter evenly so the cake bakes nicely. Next, I'll tap the pan gently on the table a few times to remove trapping air bubbles. This helps the cake bake evenly and gives a smoother texture inside. Now bake it until the top becomes beautifully golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, your kitchen will be filled with that rich buttery aroma that makes homemade cake so special. My pound cake is finally ready and look at that beautiful golden color. I'm going to allow it to cool down in the pan for a few minutes before removing it. This resting time helps the cake firm up slightly and prevents it from breaking apart. After that, I'll carefully transfer it into a cooling rack or any other thing you have to cool completely. Once cooled, it's time for the best part, slicing the cake. Yes, but before that, let's just admire the beauty of this cake. It turned out very golden and I absolutely love it. It smells amazing in here. So what are you waiting for? Just wear your apron, get to the kitchen and start making yourself your homemade pound cake. You will love it. Just look at the soft texture inside. Moist, fluffy, buttery, and absolutely beautiful. And that's how to make pound cake at home the right way. This recipe is soft, easy, and perfect for any occasion, whether it's for breakfast, tea time, dessert, parties, or even for sale. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more delicious recipes. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.